So in this video, we will see how Webhavi can be used to scrape product data, including images, price, and reviews from Mart website. So as always, the first step is to load the product details, the product listings page within Webhavi's browser. And once the page is loaded, we can start the configuration process where we select the data which we need. So I have just loaded the first page of the listing, and we will start configuration from here. And if we scroll down, you can see that there are multiple pages of listings. So let's start by clicking the start button. So now we can click and select all the data which we need to scrape from this website. And before selecting the data, we can configure pagination by clicking on the direct link to load page number 2 and set as next page link. So Webhavi knows how to scrape the data which we select from multiple pages of listings. Now let's start the data selection. We'll start with the name or title of the product, followed by the make. You can also get the price. And now let's follow each product link to select additional details. For this, click on the link. And in this case, and in the case of this website, you can see that the follow this link option is disabled. It's because of the way this website is implemented. The link or the HTML code behind the link does not have the URL to the product details page. So we have a workaround, which is to use the open pop-up method. Just click on the open pop-up method and Webhavi will open the product details page from where you can continue selecting additional details. So let's start with the category. We can also scrape the images by clicking on the first thumbnail image, go to capture HTML, and you can see that this is the image URL, and this should be up till this .jpeg should be the high-res image URL. So what we can do is apply regex. From the drop down, select get image URL from HTML. We need to make a small change so that we get the high-res image. Just replace this code with /? so that we get the string only till .jpg. Apply, capture image. You can either download the image or just capture the image URL. And Webhavi has identified that there are multiple images. Click yes to scrape all of them. And this would be our images column. Likewise, you can continue selecting data as required from this product details page. Let's also get the URL of the product details page. So for that, click anywhere on the page, select more options, add custom data, page URL. So this would be the product URL. And before stopping configuration, click anywhere on the page, go to more options, page, and go back. So otherwise only the first product's details will be extracted during mining. And now we can stop configuration and start mine. We can specify the number of pages to mine. And if the Webhavi will ask you to select a folder where downloaded images are to be saved. If you click cancel, image URLs will be downloaded instead. So Webhavi is loading the same page for which we created the configuration, and it will start pulling data. Now it will follow each product link to get the additional details. And it will do this for all products on the first page before proceeding to the next page. Now let's see how we can scrape multiple product reviews from each of these extracted product URLs. Since there are multiple reviews, it should be done as a separate configuration. So what we can do is just copy any of these product URLs and So to scrape the reviews, locate the reviews section and start configuration. Now, if you want to scrape reviews from multiple products using the same configuration, you can just go to configuration URLs and just add the URLs of the additional products for which you need to scrape reviews, and all of them will be scraped using the same configuration. So now, before the first step is, after starting configuration, is to disable pattern detection and to click on this link and use the click option so that the reviews will be displayed as a pop-up. Now just remove the disable pattern detection, and the first thing which you need to do is go to configuration and enable the scroll to load next page option. Now the order of these steps are very important. Start configuration, disable pattern detection, click on the reviews link to and use the click option to open this pop-up, and then straight away enable pagination. This is important, and only after enabling pagination you can proceed with data selection. We'll get the username first, followed by date, the review text, and you can also get the review title. And now stop the configuration and start mining. Let's mine for 4 pages to test. Now Webharvey will load the product page, it will open the reviews, and it will scroll the reviews pop-up page 4 times, and only then will it start extracting data. So as you can see, it's loading the pages one by one. Now after loading 4 pages of reviews, the requested number of pages, So I hope you find this video useful. In case you have any questions, please let us know at support@webharvey.com. Thank you.